Welcome. In this video I will show you how to reset picture and sound settings on Panasonic TV. To do that, navigate to the settings icon in the top right corner of your screen, open all settings menu, then let's go to display and sound, open picture, and then let's navigate to the very bottom of this list, select reset to default, then select OK, and then let's go back, and then let's do the same for the sound. So open the sound menu, navigate to the very bottom of this list, select reset to default, select OK, and all the settings will be reset to default ones. And now you can set up your picture and sound once again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.